high probability open range breakout strategy. Open range breakout is a self-explanatory term. ओपन जो प्राइस हुई है उसका एक टाइम रेंज फिक्स कर वो रेंज के ब्रेकआउट पर ये स्ट्रेटेजी बनी है. अभी everybody has a different way of using this strategy. Some people use it for they mark the 5 minutes के 3 candle. Some people mark 15 minutes के 3 candle. But I'll tell you the rules which I follow. So we are waiting for the close of first 15-minute candle. Once the 15-minute candle closes, for example, we will see this. This is a 15-minute candle. I will just delete everything. So this is a 15-minute candle. I am marking the low and the high of 15-minute candle. Just to make these a bit darker so that everybody can see this. And color I'll make it a bit darker. So this is the high and the low of 15-minute candle. Abhi whenever the stock breaks in the sense closes above. यहाँ पर भी अभी ये second 15-minute candle है. This is the first 15-minute candle. You can see 11th October 1915 written at the lower side of the vertical bar. So after the stock market opened at 9:15, this candle was formed from 9:15 to 9:30. In this 15-minute, it opened at 15.99, and the high it made was 16.16. Low was made was 15.99, and it closed at 16.12. So as soon as this candle is formed, we will mark the low and the high of this candle. In this candle, the low and the open price are same. Sometimes the open and the low prices are not same. We will mark the high and the low of the candle, which means we will mark the entire range of the candle. And we will wait for that range to be violated. The range is said to be violated only when a candle closes outside the lines. For example, the second candle which is formed here, it went outside the range, but it closed below the range. So this range was not broken. This range was broken by the third candle. It was broken at the level of 1620.5. So now I will mark this level 1620.5, and I will mark the stop loss at the low of the candle. So my stop loss is at 1599.25. I will keep it a bit below, not exactly at the low. And I will buy 42 shares of HDFC at 1621. As soon as I buy these 42 shares and I get those deliveries into my position, the account which I will be seeing during my trading will be positions and not holdings, because holdings is for investment and position is the place where I will see the stocks which I have bought or sold today. As soon as I get 42 stocks in my account, the first thing I will do is I will mark my stop loss at 1597 and I will leave the screen. Even if this stocks comes and hits and my entire capital for this trade is lost, I am having a risk of only 1000 rupees for this trade, and I will close this at the end of the day, which is 3:15. So I will close it about here. So in this trade, if I had taken this trade, then the profit would have been somewhere around 1,325 rupees. 2.85 is the risk reward ratio, if you can see. Okay, so this is how I take my trades in high probability open range breakout.